Adaptation in plants. Plants live in almost every conceivable environment on Earth, from scorching deserts to frozen mountains, from freshwater lakes to salty mangroves, and even suspended high in the air on the branches of other plants. Unlike animals, they cannot move when conditions become unfavorable. Instead, plants have evolved special adaptations, structural, physiological, and behavioral, that enable them to survive, grow, and reproduce in specific habitats. Adaptation ensures survival under stress, efficient use of available resources, protection from herbivores, successful reproduction, and long-term species persistence. In ecology, studying plant adaptations helps us understand how vegetation types develop in different habitats and how plants contribute to ecosystem stability. Types of plant adaptations. 1. Structural, morphological physical features such as leaf size, stem type, root depth, cuticle thickness. 2. Physiological, internal processes like CAM photosynthesis, salt excretion, antifreeze proteins. 3. Behavioral, growth responses tropisms, e.g., phototropism, hydrotropism, and seasonal behaviors like dormancy or flowering at specific times. Adaptations to specific habitats. A. Desert adaptations, xerophytes. Deserts have extreme heat, intense sunlight, and very little water. Plants here, called xerophytes, must conserve water and tolerate drought. Structural adaptations. Reduced or modified leaves, leaves become spines, e.g., opuntia, to reduce water loss. Succulent stems, plants like cacti store water in fleshy stems. Thick cuticle, waxy coating reduces transpiration. O. Deep or widespread roots, acacia trees develop taproots reaching deep underground, while cacti have shallow but extensive roots to absorb rainfall quickly. Physiological adaptations. OCAM photosynthesis, stomata open at night to take in CO2, reducing water loss during the day, e.g., agave, kalanchoe. O. Drought dormancy, seeds remain dormant until rainfall occurs. Examples: cactus, opuntia, desert aloe, acacia trees. B. Aquatic adaptations, hydrophytes. Plants living in or on water face challenges like reduced mechanical support, gas exchange, and light penetration. Types include 1. Submerged hydrophytes, e.g., hydrilla, elodia. Thin, flexible stems and leaves to resist water currents. No cuticle since water loss isn't a problem. Reduced roots since the entire surface absorbs nutrients. 2. Floating hydrophytes, e.g., water hyacinth, duckweed. Spongy tissues with air spaces for buoyancy. Stomata only on the upper leaf surface. 3. Emergent hydrophytes, e.g., lotus, water lily. Broad floating leaves to capture sunlight. Long stalks that reach the water surface. Special feature, aerenchyma, large intercellular spaces for buoyancy and gas exchange. C. Mesophyte adaptations, moderate environments. Mesophytes live in habitats with moderate water availability. Most crop plants, maize, beans, sunflower, fall into this category. Features. O. Well-developed root and shoot systems. O. Thin cuticle compared to xerophytes. O. Normal stomatal distribution. O. Shed leaves during drought to conserve water. Significance: mesophytes are adapted to normal environments but may wilt under prolonged drought or flooding. D. Salt-tolerant adaptations, halophytes. Halophytes thrive in saline soils or coastal regions, e.g., mangroves. Excess salts are toxic, so they develop special adaptations. Structural adaptations. O. Succulent tissues, store water to dilute salts. O. Pneumatophores, breathing roots found in mangroves like Rhizophora and Avicennia. These roots grow upwards to absorb oxygen in waterlogged soils. O. Thick leaves with salt glands, excrete excess salts, e.g., mangroves. Physiological adaptations. O. Ability to compartmentalize salts in vacuoles to avoid toxicity. Examples: mangroves, Rhizophora, Avicennia, glasswort, Salicornia. E. Epiphyte adaptations, air plants. Epiphytes grow on other plants for support but are not parasitic. They absorb moisture and nutrients directly from the air. Structural features. O. Aerial roots with velamen tissue, spongy covering that absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. O. Leaf modifications, some epiphytes like bromeliads form leaf tanks that store rainwater. Examples: orchids, tillandsia, staghorn fern. F. High altitude and alpine plant adaptations. In mountainous or high-altitude regions, plants face low temperatures, strong winds, and intense UV radiation. Structural features. O. Hairy leaves and stems, reduce heat loss and trap warmth. O. Rosette growth form, keeps leaves close to the ground to reduce wind exposure. O. Thick cuticle and sunken stomata, conserve water and protect from cold. Physiological features. O. Production of antifreeze proteins to prevent ice formation in cells. Examples: alpine cushion plants, Edelweiss.